Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Stihl 066 chainsaw, 91cc, 5.5 CI, very popular saw. This one features an 18-inch bar and chain, 3/8 pitch, sprocket nose. For cutting that firewood, and if you want to cut some big wood, also features a 32-inch steel bar with a new 3/8 063 gauge chain. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features this saw has. Master controls right here. All the way up is stop, run position, run high idle, and high idle choke all the way down. Has the operator presence lever. Won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. A real nice safety feature Stihl has on this chainsaw. Has a hand protector and foot pad. Functions as a hand protector in case of a throwing incident, chain throwing incident. Helps protect your hand. Foot pad when starting this high compression engine. On the ground, use that as a foot pad and get a good grip on that handlebar, and you can start this saw. Working chain brake. Side load on your gas and oil reservoir. Gas right here and your oil reservoir up front. Has the rubber mounts, are very durable. Large falling spike. Got the large volume muffler. Adjustment for the bar tensioner is right here. Loosen the two nuts up. Right in the center there is your tensioner. It's real nice to get at. Just a very good running chainsaw. Very powerful chainsaw. We'll go outside and we'll make a cut with it.